want natural weight loss? These 5 simple habits can make a big difference. Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. PK, and here are the 5 tips to lose weight naturally and slowly. The healthy way: eat more protein early in the day. Don't skip your breakfast. You are not doing any favor to yourself. And stop telling yourself, oh, I have not had breakfast for years. I'm not used to it. My body doesn't like it. You need to train your body for good breakfast and you'll start seeing the difference. A high protein breakfast can reduce cravings and keep you full longer, and you'll stop grazing whole day. That's the fact. Number 2, and by the way, get out of your comfort zone. If your old habit is not serving you, you know you are doing something wrong. So find something new, and this video is for you. Cut liquid calories, soda, sweet teas, juices. Fancy coffee, tea adds a lot of sugar without filling you up, and then you crash 2 hours later and looking for more energy drinks or sweet drinks to get going at work or at home. Number 3, walk after meals. 10 minutes of walk after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. Trust me, you do it for just few months and you will see the difference in your energy and steadiness of your energy and your hunger and natural weight loss. Your fat will start melting. So this will help your blood sugar and calorie burning. Number 4, use a smaller portion of food, not a starvation.